Having a reliable hosting provider is one of the first steps to building a successful website. It's the backbone of your online presence, ensuring that your site stays fast, secure, and accessible to visitors. No matter if you're starting a blog or setting up an online store or showcasing your business portfolio, the right hosting provider can save you endless frustration and keep things running smoothly. So today we're diving into two of the most talked about options, SiteGround and Bluehost. By the end of this video, you'll know which one aligns best with your website's goals. Why hosting matters. Imagine you're building your dream home. The hosting provider is like the foundation. Without a solid one, everything you build on top could crumble. Performance, security, and customer support are the pillars holding your site steady. The hosting provider that you choose will have a major impact on your site's success. Whether you're launching a blog or a business or an online store, let's see how SiteGround and Bluehost stack up against each other. The Performance Showdown. Performance is the unsung hero of website success. Nobody wants to wait around for a slow website to load. We're all busy people with TikToks to scroll through. Here's where these two stand. SiteGround, speed on steroids. SiteGround has a bit of a reputation for being the speed king. It's not just about getting your site up and running. It's about keeping it running smoothly even when there's a traffic surge. With built-in caching tools and modern infrastructure, SiteGround makes sure that your visitors aren't left staring at a loading screen. Imagine you're throwing a big party and everyone shows up at once. SiteGround's advanced tech makes sure that you're not running out of snacks or space to accommodate these people. Bluehost, reliable but old school. Bluehost, on the other hand, is like that dependable friend who shows up but maybe doesn't bring the latest gadgets with them. They've got Cloudflare CDN and NVMe storage, which definitely helps speed things up. But when you're comparing it to SiteGround's sleek performance tools, Bluehost starts to feel a bit like using yesterday's playbook. So if speed is your top priority, and let's face it, it should be one of them at least, SiteGround takes the crown here. Features. What's in the toolbox? So features are where things get fun. Think of them as the tools in your hosting toolbox. Do you want staging, backups, collaboration options, or AI-driven tools? Well, here's the scoop. SiteGround, a Swiss Army knife. SiteGround packs a ton of handy tools into its plans. Staging, for instance, is a lifesaver if you want to test changes on your site before making them live. But heads up, this feature is only available in their higher tiered plans. Now, they also offer daily backups because you never know when you might need to undo an oops kind of moment, and collaboration tools for teams as well. It's like SiteGround thought of everything a pro or small business might need and wrapped it all up in a nice little bow. Bluehost, basics done right. Bluehost keeps it simple, which isn't a bad thing if you're just starting out. You'll get staging right from the basic plan, which is a nice surprise for beginners. Plus, there's an AI-powered site builder that practically holds your hand through the entire setup. It's a bit like a friendly tutor guiding you through your first science project. So if you're into more advanced features though, then SiteGround feels like it's playing in a bit of a higher league. But for someone just dipping their toes into web hosting, then Bluehost makes this process painless. Security. Who's got your back? These days, security is non-negotiable. Cyber attacks and data breaches are a real thing, and your hosting provider needs to have your back. Let's see how these two stack up. SiteGround. SiteGround doesn't mess around when it comes to security. Their web application firewall blocks shady traffic, and their AI anti-bot system ensures that no one's sneaking in through the back door. Plus, they're constantly monitoring your site in real time to catch potential threats before they're a problem. Oh, and did I mention that they've got automatic daily backups? Basically, SiteGround is like having a 24/7 security team watching over your site. Bluehost. Bluehost offers the essentials like free SSL certificates and DDoS protection, which are great if you're running a smaller site. But if you want more advanced security features, then you'll need to pony up for their higher tiered plans. It's not bad, just not as comprehensive as SiteGround. If you're running a business or handling sensitive customer data, SiteGround's extra layers of security are a huge plus. Pricing. Pricing is often the deciding factor, especially if you're just starting out. Here's how SiteGround and Bluehost compare. SiteGround, premium quality, premium price. SiteGround starts at $2.99 a month for their basic plan. Their higher tier plans offer more features, but they're definitely more of an investment. If you're serious about your site and you want premium tools, then it's worth it. But if you're on a tight budget, those renewal rates might sting a little bit. So if you want to get started with SiteGround, we'll have a link for them down in the description below. When you click on that link, it'll bring you to a page that that looks something like this. From here, you can go ahead and view all their plans. So we'll go ahead and come to their web hosting section here and click on view plans. So their startup plan starts at $299 per month, and this is good for one website. You get 10 gigabytes of web space, supports about 10,000 monthly visits, unmetered traffic, and comes with essential features like free domain, free SSL, free email migrator, unlimited databases, and a whole lot more. Now, if you like to make your websites on WordPress, this also has managed WordPress features as well. Now, moving up to their Grow Big plan, starting at $499 per month. This is good for unlimited websites. It doubles your space up to 10 gigabytes and supports about 100,000 visits monthly, and also comes with that unmetered traffic. Going up to their Go Geek plan for $799 a month. This also supports unlimited websites, comes with 40 gigabytes of web space, and supports about 400,000 monthly visits. So again, if you want to get started with SiteGround, we'll have a link for them down in the description below. Bluehost, budget friendly. Bluehost plans start at $199 per month, which is a lot easier on the wallet. Even their higher tier plans like the Choice Plus and the Pro are reasonably priced. Now for beginners or small websites, Bluehost's affordability is a huge win. Now taking a deeper look here at Bluehost plans, they have the basic plan at $199 per month, which is already cheaper than SiteGround's intro plan. On this plan, you can make up to 10 websites versus SiteGround's 1. You get 10 gigabytes of NVMe storage, can support 100 concurrent visitors, ideal for about 40,000 visits per month, comes with their AI site creation tool, a 30-day money-back guarantee, free domain for the first year, pro email, free trial, free site migration tool, free SSL, free CDN, and more. Moving up the line, they have their Choice Plus plan at $399 per month, and that goes from 10 to 50 websites you can create, 10 gigabytes to 50 gigabytes of storage, 100 to 500 concurrent visitors, and 40 to 200,000 visits per month. They also have their online store plan at $745 per month and their pro plan at $999 per month. Support. Having good customer support is like having a safety net when something goes wrong, and trust me, you want someone to catch you. SiteGround, quick and knowledgeable. SiteGround's support team is consistently praised for being fast, friendly, and incredibly knowledgeable. Whether it's via live chat or phone, they'll help you out in a pinch. It's no wonder that they've won awards for their service. Bluehost, dependable. Bluehost support is solid with 24/7 availability via chat and phone. They're also certified by WordPress, which gives them some extra street cred for sure. While they're reliable, they don't quite have the same wow factor as SiteGround. Which one should you choose? Well, it really depends on what you're looking for. So let's break it down. You should go with SiteGround if you're running a business or high traffic site, you have security and performance at the top of your priority list, or you want advanced tools and you don't mind paying a bit more. Now you should go with Bluehost if you're just starting out and need an affordable option, or simplicity and ease of use are your main goals, or you're just building a personal blog or small website. Now again, if you want to get started with either of these excellent hosting providers, we'll have links for both of them down in the description for you to get started with below. Now at the end of the day, both SiteGround and Bluehost are solid choices. It's like comparing a luxury car to a dependable sedan. SiteGround is perfect for those who want all the bells and whistles, while Bluehost is ideal for anyone looking for an affordable, beginner-friendly option. Now, if you want to get started with either of these, again, you'll find links for them down in the description below. These are affiliate links, which means that we earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue creating free content just like this. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we make videos on how to create websites, explore different website builders, discuss domain names, hosting, and so much more, so be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.